Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on Twitter using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first, you want to open your Twitter app, and you can just search for the user. But for example, that you forgot the username, so you can do this simple step. So I want you to do is to click on your profile photo here at the upper left corner of your screen and scroll down until you see settings and support. And now you want to click on settings and privacy and click on privacy and safety. So now, as you can see here at your Twitter activity section, you can see a mute and block option. So you just want to click on that. And here you can see on the block accounts, I have a one account, or the number 1 at the right side of it. So just go ahead and click on blocked accounts. And here you can see the user that I blocked. So just go ahead and click on the block button if you want to unblock the user. And there you have it. That's so simple, right? And that is how you unblock someone on Twitter using your mobile device. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.